Ooh, I am so excited, y'all. So I've been practicing trading and I am taking imperfect action. I got my Wall Street Survivor account set up, and I took a couple of trades probably a day or two ago. I did limit orders, and one of them actually executed, which was T-Mobile. T-Mobile was going for like 207 or 208 when I had took the trade, and I was like, no, I want to get it for 206, and it was executed. I checked it today and it went up by a couple of dollars, and the amount that I have in my portfolio is $100,000. So I sold it this morning because it was currently trading at, I think, 211. So I was like, okay, I can make $5 on this. Don't on my nail, I'm practicing. But anyway, it went up. So I did calculation. I was like, okay, I got 100 shares, right? That means, if you do 100 times 5, of course it's $500 change, right? So I was like, let me go ahead and sell this, because that's the only way you can make money in the stock market is you pay attention to the stock and see how it moves throughout the day. I was like, you know what? Ain't gonna be no FOMO. Let me go ahead and sell. Paid me an extra on my trading practice portfolio, a total of $568. I'm so excited. It ain't a whole lot. Now, I did buy 100 shares of this stock, and I'm just practicing because I'm learning, I'm executing and putting into practice Terry Egioma's trade and travel method. I was looking at the stock when I was like debating if I was going to buy a couple of shares of it or not. I had seen that it had room to grow, aka it had room for me to gain some money. I'm just really excited at my little $568. That in the stock market, you can start off as little or as much money when it comes out to like buying stocks, and it really just helps you just like practice. But of course, the more shares you buy, aka the more money you have to buy more shares, the more money you can accumulate. It's really excited. $568. I made me $568 off of buying 100 shares of T-Mobile at 206 and selling it when it was at 211 and making me a little, like I said, a little over $500. Now just imagine if that was real money. So it's actually helping me get more comfortable with trading the thousands. And when I say in the thousands, so buying a couple of shares that will equal to a couple of thousands in order to get some gain. So I'm excited about this, and I'm actually excited eventually when the time comes to be trading my own money, because I am willing to take not the risk, but the leap of faith. I don't know if I'm going to start tracking my trading journey, because I am I think they call it a novice day trader. I don't know if I'm going to track it or not, maybe, but I definitely want to share my wins so that you guys know that it is possible. And like I said, I'm trading with fake money. So I turned $100,000 to $100,568, and you could do it too.